Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Single Line Code. So today I'll be discussing on how to find duplicate values in my data. Suppose there are 10,000 rows, right? Like huge amount of rows. Here I have data till 117. Just imagine you have 10,000 rows and you need to find duplicates in a data. Duplicates in the sense, example, customer 1, whether customer 1 is repeating or like how many times customer 1 is repeating, just highlight and remove the duplicates. Will you go and do manually like one, where is one? I can see only one, so you can also do it like find one, next. So that's how you can do, but it is quite time consuming, right? So best how you can find duplicates is just select your column. There's an option in the conditional formatting, highlight cells, duplicate values, and format cell that contain duplicate with light red. You can change your color based on your what do you call preferences. I just want to keep it as light red and click OK. When you click OK, you see in this data all the duplicate values are highlighted. Like 1 is been repeated twice, 2 is repeated twice, 5 is repeated twice. What you can do is you can either now you will say, sir, if we delete this, there is sales value attached to it, there is 64 there is volume attached to it. What you can do, you can remove one of them. You can remove one of them. You will get to know, right? There are 10,000 rows. Now from 10,000 rows you have 20 duplicate values. You can easily identify. You can segregate this 2020. You can segregate this, just copy and segregate in a place, or TSB. You can segregate this. Now you know that what do you call this are my segregated duplicate values. Just do what do you call plus 64. Just do a summation on it and then remove this duplicate. Simple. Make it 84 and remove the duplicates. So that's how you find duplicates. Select a column, go to conditional formatting, highlight cells, duplicate values, and what do you call select your color. And I can also select green color, yellow color. So it's up to you how you select. Now, sir, you want to say, sir, I don't want this, my duplicate thing is done. Now I don't want this to, I want this to be removed, the color to be removed. So how can I remove this? Just go to conditional formatting, clear rules, clear rule from the entire sheet, or you can say clear rules from the selected cells which I've selected, right? So that's how you treat duplicate values. You find duplicate values, you remove duplicate values because it might create a huge churn, right? If example, a customer needs to be paid 20 rupees, but there are two values here, 1 and 1. He'll be paid 84 rupees, right? Loss for the company, right? Instead, he was supposed to be paid 20, but he's paying 84. How much is the loss? It's 84 minus 20, which is 64, right? He has paid 64 rupees extra. So that is company's loss. So that's how you have to find duplicate values and remove it off. Thank you guys for watching. In the next video, as I discussed previously, I'll be doing some what do you call analysis using vertical lookup. So a vertical lookup I have already done. I'll do analysis using pivot table and see what insights we can find out from this data. Okay. Thank you guys.